every time you go out to talk to somebody, like someone that lives on the lake, you get to hear their story about why that water is so special to them. And that's what I love about this job, is hearing how people relate to water, because it deepens their love and appreciation for their water that they're protecting. My name is Scott McComb. I am the Aquatic Invasive Species Outreach Specialist. I work in southeastern Wisconsin, providing work in Milwaukee, Racine, and Kenosha counties. There's so much happening on Lake Michigan, but then you move inland and it's a completely different story, but it's really fun working in these two contrasting environments. I help engage the community in aquatic invasive species prevention. We care about teaching people about aquatic invasive species so that they can take action. We want to do something because we want to protect something we love. And so with aquatic invasive species, we're trying to find balance on our lakes. I want to shift the conversation away from, good and bad, to how can we create balance and harmony with these new species here?